Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to find Orbit level ID and music ID in Geometry Dash. So let's start with the step number 1, which is to go to online level section and access the level search. So here you can browse featured levels or use the search function to find specific levels. Next up is type Orbit in the search bar, and in here you will see the autocomplete suggestions and search results for levels with that name. Next up is click on the orbit level to view its info. So the level ID is displayed prominently in the level details panel. So this ID lets you share the level or find it quickly using the ID search. Next up is in the level info, you just have to look for the music ID section. So this shows the song ID, which is Newgrounds ID, and as well as the artist information. So you can use this ID to find the song in the Newgrounds or in other levels. And lastly, now that you know how to find the level IDs and music IDs, you can now enjoy playing Orbit. So it's a fantastic space themed level with amazing visuals. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!